How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Gmail application on your device. Make sure you are signed in to your account and now go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Manage Your Google Account option. Further, tap on the security option you see there and now scroll down until you see the Manage All Devices option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the devices you were signed into. Simply scroll through and find the device you want to log out your Gmail account from and tap on that. You will then see the Sign Out option. Tap on that and then in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on Sign Out again, and with this your account will be removed from that particular device. So this is how you can remove your Gmail account from another device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.